Hello everybody, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. I want to ask you about a new feature that claims to, by YouTube, that claims to help you avoid accidental taps with the lock screen. So it's a lock screen when your screen's not locked. And it's only for premium users who can lock their screen and still listen in the background. Doesn't matter if it doesn't make sense. I just want to know if this works for you because it didn't work for me. I activated it. I have premium. I think I understand how it works. The worst thing is when you have your screen on and the video playing and you accidentally touch the next button and then the next video plays, it infuriates me. So I just need to know if this works for anybody because it doesn't work for me. And I'll show you here in just a second. We'll play a video. Let's play this video right here. Okay, so you need to get it into full screen, which is going to turn this sideways. So bear with me. It'll be kind of wacky. The slightest tap, and I don't see, am I supposed to activate it a different way? But the slightest tap, it's still bringing up the menu. So I don't know how this benefits anybody. And if you have premium, you can turn the screen off or you can switch apps. So the only person this would benefit would be someone who doesn't have premium. They can't turn the screen off and they need to move around with their phone, right? What am I doing wrong? But this doesn't work. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Thanks for watching.
Get out of that. You have to get out of that sand.